In this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about lawyer landing pages. Let's jump right in. An attorney landing page is a single page designed to attract conversions for a specific service. Landing pages are very different from your main website. Your main website will have a menu navigation structure, providing access to all of your practice area pages, along with potentially hundreds of other pages. But with your landing page, we want the user to focus on one single practice area. A few examples would be car accidents for PI lawyers, DUIs for criminal defense firms, and custody cases for family law attorneys. So, why would you even bother with a landing page? You need landing pages to convert Google Ads traffic, Microsoft advertising traffic, and paid social traffic. A well-designed landing page will typically convert much better than the homepage on your main site or a practice area page on your main website. Landing pages convert better because they are designed much differently than SEO-oriented pages. Your SEO pages are likely text-heavy, while landing pages use short and concise copy. Not having to adhere to SEO best practices on your landing page is a blessing when it comes to conversion-oriented design elements and copywriting best practices. Landing pages allow you to focus more on high-impact benefit statements. You can also get your point across with bullet points instead of long paragraph-style copy. You will have a few options when it comes to where your landing pages are built. Make sure to have your developer review your main website. If you can create custom headers and footers, you can build landing pages within your current site environment. This option is convenient since it keeps your design and development efforts all under one roof. The landing page will not have a menu navigation in the header or have footer links, so the user will not be able to navigate to other pages on the main site. If your current environment does not support this option, you can simply buy a relevant domain and plan to do another WordPress implementation. Lastly, you can use landing page builders like Unbounce, ClickFunnels, or Lead Pages. Keep in mind that landing page software comes with a monthly expense. Personally, I tend to prefer WordPress over the software solutions, but both will get the job done effectively. When it comes to building landing pages, you want to set the bar very high. You want to build a page that can win in a highly competitive market for a highly competitive practice area. If you can do that, you can win in any market. Now, let's break down the elements of an ideal landing page. You want to make a great first impression. So, give some thought to the media in the hero section. It could be a professional image of you or your staff. This shows the user you are friendly and approachable. The section can also be used to tell the story of what the user recently went through, like a picture of a car accident scene or an injured victim. If you go this route, take your time with image selection and avoid commonly used stock photography. You won't be able to fully communicate your unique selling proposition in a headline, but do your best to craft a powerful headline. Your headline should achieve one of the following goals: sell or communicate a benefit, address a problem, or engage the visitor so they are compelled to scroll down and view the rest of the page. There are several different strategies you can use when writing headlines. It depends on which of the three goals you decided on. But in either case, make sure your messaging is uniform. For example, if traffic is coming from Google Ads, it's critical the search query matches the keyword that triggered the ad. Next, it's critical the keyword aligns with the text ad. And lastly, the text ad copy needs to align with the headline and copy on your landing page. You want to make sure you are displaying messaging on the landing page that is in line with the overall campaign and users' expectations. If you do this right, you will lower your bounce rate and increase your conversion rate. Here are just a few pointers that will help you when crafting your perfect headline. It's always better to be clear than clever or witty. If you can do both, great. Try not to state the what and instead focus on the why. It's okay to talk about features, but it's often higher impact when you focus on benefits. Be different. Pull up competing landing pages and ensure your headline is unique and different. Let's move on to the copy throughout the landing page. Remember, this is not an SEO page. The copy does not need to be long-form, paragraph-style content. Quite the opposite, in fact. You want to write short sentences. Style the text and utilize bullet points. You can also use a larger than normal font size to ensure readability is high. This type of copy on your landing page is called conversion copy. The best practice is the art of bridging the gap between what you want to say and what your prospective clients want to hear. Take your time with the conversion copy and think through every word. Write persuasive and captivating copy that truly resonates with your prospective client's current situation. I can tell you from experience that law firms typically do not put enough time, energy, and resources into this process. That creates an opportunity for you. So, I encourage you to increase revenue through conversion-driven sales copy. If you decide that your conversion copy will be best in class, you'll give yourself an edge over competing ads and landing pages. For an attorney landing page, there are a few proven elements that have stood the test of time. The first is social proof. This is where you can include awards and badges. These third-party accolades instill trust in your visitors. Third-party validation is a useful tool when establishing credibility. The next effective element is the use of reviews. Your prospective clients want to hear from past clients that had a similar issue. So don't just grab random reviews. Instead, handpick the best 5-star reviews that most closely align with the practice area of the landing page. Next is the use of white space. You want your landing page to appear clean and professional. Avoid cluttered or busy sections. Instead, use white space to keep users focused on your messaging. Next is a mobile-centric landing page. More than 50% of your traffic will likely come from mobile devices. When you are reviewing designs in the demo URL when the site is being developed, be sure to focus on mobile. Do not push your new landing page live until the mobile experience is exceptional. Lastly, you will want clear and easy access to call to actions. In other industries, you often see a focus on one CTA, like a form submission for a coupon code, a CTA for downloading a guide, or registering for a webinar. For a law firm landing page, you can have multiple ways for them to convert. I recommend a phone number and a sticky header so the number is always accessible. Make sure the phone number is click to call from mobile. You also need to give them the option of submitting a form. Chat is also an option, but you will need to test chat on your landing page for effectiveness. Okay, that is the perfect segue to talk about split testing. Once your landing page is live, be prepared to run split tests to optimize results. The key to effective split testing is testing one variable at a time. For example, test one headline against another. If you change more than one variable, it's considered a multivariate test, and it's much more difficult to know which variable was responsible for the difference in performance. You can also test your landing page against a whole different landing page and measure which one performs better. When it comes to attorney landing pages, the overall metrics to measure are straightforward. You will start with the quantity of visitors to the landing page, conversion quantity, conversion percentage, bounce rate, and the amount spent on the advertising campaign. From there, you will want to dig deeper and review the quality of the conversions, how many clients were obtained, your close rate, which is the relationship between conversions on the landing pages and new clients, estimated case value for new clients, and finally, estimated return on ad spend. Your digital marketing agency should help you centralize your leads. And then you or your team will need to help identify the quality of the leads, case quantity, and finally the estimated case value from newly acquired clients. Review these metrics internally and with your marketing agency. Use the information to make data-driven decisions. If the metrics look great, consider scaling up your budget. If things are not going well, lean on your trusted partners to make the appropriate adjustments to get the campaigns back on track. Law firms across the country have had mixed results running paid media campaigns. High-performing attorneys have learned that excellent landing pages materially increase the performance of PPC campaigns on Google Ads. I hope you found this video informative. As always, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to me directly through the Rocket Pilot's website with questions. If you found this video valuable, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.